Apollo and Admetus. Apollo's encounters with mortals often took unexpected turns, and his relationship with Admetus, the king of Pherai, was no exception. Their story is one of friendship, sacrifice, and the interplay between mortal fate and divine intervention. Admetus was a mortal king known for his wisdom, generosity, and hospitality. He ruled over the city of Pherai with a fair and just hand, earning the respect and admiration of his subjects. But despite his many virtues, Admetus faced a dire challenge that threatened to tear his kingdom apart. Admetus was fated to die prematurely, a fate that weighed heavily upon him and filled him with despair. But Apollo, ever the compassionate deity, took pity on Admetus and offered him a chance at salvation. He proposed a bargain. If Admetus could find someone willing to die in his place, he would be spared from death and allowed to live out the remainder of his days. Admetus was torn by the weight of Apollo's offer, for he knew that finding someone willing to sacrifice their life for him would be no easy task. But to his astonishment, his wife Alcestis stepped forward without hesitation, declaring her willingness to die so that her husband might live. Apollo, moved by Alcestis' selflessness and devotion, granted Admetus's request and spared him from death. But the price of Admetus's salvation would be steep indeed, for he would be forever haunted by the memory of Alcestis' sacrifice and the knowledge that he owed his life to her. As Admetus mourned the loss of his beloved wife, Apollo watched over him with a mixture of sympathy and regret. He knew that his intervention had altered the course of mortal fate in ways that were both profound and irreversible, and he wondered what the future held in store for Admetus and his kingdom. In the years that followed, Admetus struggled to come to terms with the consequences of Apollo's intervention. He ruled over Pherai with wisdom and compassion, but he was forever haunted by the memory of Alcestis' sacrifice and the knowledge that he owed his life to her. But despite the challenges he faced, Admetus remained steadfast in his devotion to Apollo, honoring the god with sacrifices and offerings in gratitude for sparing his life. And in return, Apollo watched over Admetus and his kingdom, guiding him through the trials and tribulations of mortal existence with his divine wisdom and guidance. And so, the story of Apollo and Admetus serves as a reminder of the complex interplay between mortal fate and divine intervention, and the sacrifices that we are sometimes called upon to make in the name of love and loyalty. Thank you for joining us on this epic journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mythological adventures. Until next time, may friendship guide your path and courage light your way.